Just to recap, this is why it's very important to never fly your drone in sport mode. Up at the top here is where I put my drone. I was trying to circle back around and be in a quick hurry, and I put it right at the top here. So hopefully my arborist friend can help me get up in the tree here and rescue the drone. It's somewhere out on the limb at the top of that tree. I heard it beeping. So remember, never fly in sport mode. That is cool as hell.
I don't step just right.
So thanks to Tommy for rescuing my drone. And this is going to be the last you'll see of this drone. I'm going to be switching over to the anti-gravity